How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're doing a hack that I have been wanting to try for a while, and I just been too lazy or haven't had enough time, however you want to look at it. But today we're going to do it. What is it? You'll find out in just a second. Welcome back. So glad each and every one of you can make it or wanted to stay. Today I just got done mowing. Well, I mowed yesterday actually, and then it rained, but the lawnmower's a little dirty. It needs to be cleaned. I have a ceramic coating on it by Lithium Auto called Ceramic Slam, so it should wash up pretty easily. But the hack that we want to do, I've been wanting to try for a while, and many of you know I don't have a pressure washer. I'm going to get one of these days. I just haven't done it. So a lot of people that don't have them buy pump sprayers or pump foamers, if you will. That or the foam cannons that go on the end of water hoses. One of the most popular ones out there is called the IK foam gun, and it works wonderful. I mean, it sprays real heavy lather foam and everything. But I've got a hack that I've seen that I wanted to try, so let's get to it. Now the hack involves a pump sprayer, like you apply any weed killer with, and something to make a hole, whether it be a drill, a pocket knife, whatever. Now let's explain why I want to do this. On any car, lawnmower, whatever you're washing, if you have dirt on it and it's stuck on there, so what you do is you take your water hose or your pressure washer, whatever, spray it down with water and let it set. That breaks up some of the dirt. Then you take your foam, your favorite car wash, auto wash, whatever you want to call it, put in your spray gun, your foam cannon, spray it down, and what that does, it draws the dirt to the top, and then you come back and finish by hand washing. Yes, you use a little bit more product and everything, but it's the modern age, it's the modern way, and supposedly it helps prevent halos, scratches, stuff like that, because like I said, it's taking the dirt that's on there and it's lifting it up to the surface, and the loose dirt that is, and then you just rinse it off. Then you come back with your hand bucket and knock the rest of it off, so all that loose stuff is gone, so it's not going to be in your wash mitt, your rag, whatever you use. So let's get to the hack. Now I'm going to show you how this does first, and then I'll show you how it does the second time around. Let's get some water. As you see, it's dirty. It's got some leaves on it, full of dust and everything. So let's get rid of all that. First thing you want to do is just pre-soak everything in some water. All right. Not looking for anything miraculous, but you can see the water beating on there already. Looks good, don't it? And the reason we do this type of stuff is to keep our investment looking good. So there's that side all soaked and wet and everything. A little bit more hose. There we go. Now we're going to put some water in the sprayer. And we're not looking to fill it up because we don't need a whole bunch of product for this. It's just a lawnmower. Matter of fact, after I get done trying this hack, I'm going to take what's in this and put it in a bucket and actually use it to hand wash it. There we go. It's up to right there. Now you go take your favorite wash. Does not matter what kind it is. This is just McGuire's Gold Class. It's just one they sell locally that I really like. Alright, and you're going to pour an ounce or two in there. Like I said, not a whole bunch. You can see it mixing with the water. It's already kind of changed colors. Put the pump back in it. Make sure it's getting tight. Pump away. And here's what it looks like. So as you can see, it's coming out I could pump it up more. It's actually putting the soap out, but we can do better than this, right? So, turn that off, get the pressure out. Now let's do the mod. Now this is just old cheap Roundup. It came in a kit, you know, small thing of Roundup spray. And you got the foamer for like $20. I mean, not the foamer, the sprayer for like $20 as a kit. Or $25, I can't remember. But here's what we have. I'm gonna show you there's no pressure on it. Okay, there's no pressure on it. But if you sit here and you take this off, there's a plastic hose in there. And it just screws right off. It just screws right off. A little plastic hose. Now, the reason I chose this one is because, like I said, this is just a cheap sprayer. I have a better one. I have actually two better ones in the building, but this one has the plastic hose. So it makes it that much easier to deal with. Let me get you over here and turn you around so you can see what's going on. Alright, what you want to do is you want to come about 1 inch from here, which puts it right about there. You can use your finger as a guide, okay? And you want to drill a hole in one side and one side only. Don't go all the way through. Alright, as you can see, the hole's in it. It's right there. On this particular model, I have two locator tabs, a big one and a small one. So I have to line those up. Right. Line them up. Turn it back, tighten it down, and we'll pump it back up. Tighten it back down. Let's give it a try. Oh yes, look at that. Much better. There we go. Look at that foam. That is a lot better. Now it's not a steady stream, but for what it is, free, look at how good it's going to work. As you can see, it puts out the foam really good. But as you can see, in a pinch, this will work great. Look at that foam. I mean, I have a free sprayer. Heck yes, just look at that. Cannot go wrong with that. And it's nothing to fix. If you want to go back to it being a sprayer, all you got to do is put some tape over the hole that you made and reuse it as a sprayer. No big deal. So do I like it? It's not a perfect science. It's not an IK sprayer or a foam cannon or nothing like that, but I mean, look at it. It is still sitting there soaking away. I'm gonna let it soak for a minute, and I'm gonna take this blue bucket over here, rinse it out, and put the water and stuff that was still in it, and finish hand washing it. But right now it's just sitting there soaking, loosening up all that dirt and everything. So, with that said, hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it's not perfect. Would I recommend it as a professional foam cannon? Heck no. But as a do-it-yourselfer or somebody that lives in a apartment complex or something like that where water is hard to come by, I mean, you use this, you can put tire cleaner in it, you put regular soap and water in it. You know, it just makes a lot of sense for people like that. And like I said, you know, it's just something for me to try and do. Do I like it? Yes, but it's not professional quality. You know, if you want to be a professional, then spend the $40 and get the IK pump sprayer or spray foamer, IK spray foamer, trying to get it right, and go with that. But for around the house, somewhere where you can't really haul a bucket or something like that, perfect. If you had two of them, you could use one as a rinse and one as a soaker. So I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, I'm gonna get out here and finish washing this, get it dried off, and put up before the rain comes this afternoon. Yes, they're calling for more. North Carolina, whoop whoop. So until next time, get out there and enjoy your ride. Lawnmower's considered my ride too, because yeah, I like it. Look at it, still sitting there soaking. Till next time, thanks for watching. Just finished washing the old girl. Looks good, don't she? Now, here's the thing. I have a lot of people, let me get this adjusted just right. Get it to a spray. There we go. Accuse me of lying, being crazy, stuff like that, because I once said, did I have a ceramic coating on this? Now, is it an H9 ceramic coating? No, come on, I'm not going to spend, a couple grand to put a coating on my lawnmower. But with that said, Lithium Auto has a spray ceramic, which is SiO2, the whole SiO2 thing, that they sent me, and I've used it on my cars, and I really, really like it. It's so easy to use, and it actually lasts a pretty good while. So, while I'm doing product tests on the other cars, my lawnmower needed some loving, so I put it on it. You don't believe that it's on there? Look at all that. Now watch this. Yeah. Look at that. My lawnmower's not ceramic coated, huh? Okay.